How to fix Roomba charging 8 error. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Roomba charging error 8 or charging 8 error. Now basically, let's understand what it means, right? Now it indicates a battery communication fault. How you can fix it? Well, you can fix it or try fixing it by removing and reinstalling the battery. Ensure you are using an authentic iRobot lithium-ion battery. Also clean the charging contacts on the Roomba and the home base to ensure a secure connection. If the issue persists, you can consider contacting iRobot customer care. So, it basically means a faulty connection. So, a faulty connection between the battery and the robot can trigger this error. So, remove the battery, then reinstall it securely. Ensure you are using a genuine iRobot lithium-ion battery. Aftermarket batteries can sometimes cause unexpected charging errors. You can also try and clean your charging contacts. Dust, debris, or other obstructions can interfere with the charging process. So you can use a dry soft cloth or a cotton swab to gently clean the charging contacts on both the Roomba and the home base. After cleaning the contacts, try resetting your Roomba. This can be done by pressing and holding the clean button for about 10 seconds until the unit turns off, then turning it back on. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.